Pumpkin tiramisu is an Italian dessert made into a trifle, has all the wonderful holiday flavors of maple and spices, and uses gingersnap cookies as the base. Here is a recipe for making pumpkin gingersnap tiramisu. Ingredients needed to prepare pumpkin gingersnap tiramisu: 3½ teaspoons unflavored gelatin, 2 tablespoons water, 6 large egg yolks, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1½ cups plus 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 quart whole milk, 15-ounce can pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 pound mascarpone, 2 cups, 3 tablespoons Calvados or other apple brandy, 1¼ pounds gingersnaps, 1/4 pound finely crushed. How to prepare pumpkin gingersnap tiramisu. 1. In a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the water and let stand for 5 minutes. 2. In a large bowl, whisk the yolks, cornstarch, salt, and 1½ cups of the sugar until the sugar is moistened. 3. In a large saucepan, heat the milk just until steaming. 4. Whisk 1 cup of the hot milk into the yolk mixture. 5. Pour the mixture into the milk in the saucepan and cook over moderate heat, whisking constantly until boiling and thick, about 5 minutes. 6. Whisk in the pumpkin puree and cook, whisking, for 1 minute. 7. Off the heat, whisk in the gelatin, vanilla and cinnamon. 8. Whisk in the mascarpone. 9. In a small microwave-safe bowl, microwave the Calvados with the remaining 1 tablespoon of sugar. At high power for 10 seconds, just until the sugar is dissolved. 10. Arrange 1/3 of the whole gingersnaps in a 9 by 13 by 2½ inch baking dish. 11. Lightly brush the gingersnaps with some of the Calvados and top with 1/3 of the pumpkin custard. 12. Repeat the layering twice more with the remaining whole gingersnaps, Calvados and custard. 13. Sprinkle half of the crushed gingersnaps on top and press a sheet of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the tiramisu. 14. Freeze overnight. 15. Let the tiramisu stand at room temperature for 6 hours, until thawed. 16. Sprinkle with the remaining gingersnaps. 17. Your homemade pumpkin gingersnap tiramisu is ready. This recipe makes pumpkin gingersnap tiramisu that is sure to impress your guests. Enjoy!